Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today, the QueenB and Me will be taking you on a tour of Soledad Canyon Thousand Trails, located in Acton, California, between Los Angeles and Lancaster Palmdale out in the desert. We'll be exiting Highway 14 at Crown Valley Road and heading down to the park. Alright, here we are, just past the ranger station. We're going to go down this road and circle around through this part of the campground, this lower loop of camping area. So let's head on down to the pool complex and the activity center down there. Here we go. Alright, here we are down at the lower portion of the park. This is the activity center, rec center, country store, well, park grocery store. So the store is seasonal. The other things are not open, they say?
Because of COVID.
Yeah, you know why. So.
Oh, they do bingo.
Oh yeah, they do candy bar bingo. We put a lot of money into buying new park benches, which is fabulous. RV storage. And we're gonna go down that way and around the complex and the pool and the mini golf and the picnic park area, and we'll just walk through and show you that. So here we go. We're going down there. Okay, we're on the back side of the rec center welcome area, and there's a big picnic area. And then there's a community garden. They've got these garden boxes over here. I don't know how you get into them or if you sign up for them or what the case is, but they have a community garden center and there's stuff growing in them, tomatoes and such. Pretty neat. That is a laundry, and then the pool complex. Let's go check out the laundry. So here we are in the laundry. It uses an app. Some of the laundries take coins. Sometimes it's you got to purchase a card and then put money on the card and then use that card to run your washers and dryers. But these are fairly new units. Floor is great. And what is that? 8? It's a nice number. Don't know how load. Seems to be $2 or $3 a load most places. So.
It's $1.75.
Oh.
It says that right on the machine space.
Okay, $1.75 a load. QueenB pointed it out. And then you got the pool complex, and this. We walked by here yesterday. We think it's a wading pool. It's got like a deeper end and a shallower end. And a handicap access. But it really is a giant pool. Yeah, this is a wading pool. There's nothing really deep in here, but that end is more shallow. It's gigantic. But near Palmdale, Lancaster, all that stuff in the pool is probably just from the winds over the past 4 or 5 days. And there's a kiddie, I don't know if you can see, there's a kiddie playland right out there. Like a wet park. So that's pretty neat. Obviously seasonal. We got the mini golf course. This time of year, QueenB said you need to bring a broom. But 18-hole mini golf course. Lots of crows or ravens up in the trees, clicking and clacking and making noises at you. And they, you know, at some point, probably during the summer season, they've got a water feature. It's like a pond, and it flows through here, and it goes down by the pool. And then the lower picnic area has another one. And we'll show you that in a few minutes. What? Another feature up that way. Those white backboards are horseshoe pits. So there's 4 horseshoe pits out there, which is nice. But I don't think you got to bring your own horseshoes because they're not lending any equipment out because, well, you know why. So here we go. We're going to go down through the trees and go down to the picnic area. And then there's this giant park area. It's got a big old playground, picnic benches and barbecue pits, or barbecue stands. So there's this stuff growing in all the trees around here, and I'm pretty sure that's mistletoe. Let us know in the comments what that is. Pretty sure it's mistletoe though. And there's the other water feature. It's like a circular pond, and then it moves down through these trees, and then there's another pond down there. And there's like a little open pavilion patio place. And that's kind of the end of the park. And here are the horseshoe pits. And then on the other side is a giant lawn for picnicking and frolicking and relaxing, whatever people do in big grass lawns. All the cabins come with a barbecue and a picnic table. I don't know if you can see inside. There's a kitchen area, eating area, there's a bedroom and a bathroom. Just a little cabin. Pretty nice little cabins though. Got a bunch of cabins here. There's another section on the upper half of the park that's got a lot of cabins also. We'll show you that later. Now the Queen Bee is going to do a tour of the women's bathroom.
So the floor's a little bit old, but it's cement, so it's not a big deal. Could use a paint job, but it's really clean. It's just a little bit old. And of all the showers, I kind of like this one the best because it gives you a little bit more room in here. They have, well, this one, oh, they all are missing. Anyway, apparently there's no shower for this part here, no shower curtain, which I didn't catch before. But I do like that you have this here. And then the handicap really has a little bit more room. So, it has enough room for your wheelchair or your walking chair. I do like it. Yeah, overall, not a bad bathroom.
Next, we'll be heading up to the center section of the park. We've been to this park multiple times over the past couple of years, and this section has always been closed. So here we are coming up to the Bravo B side of the campground, or loop. This is all dry camping, tent camping. There is some power and water down there, no sewer. But this runs the whole length of this section. Probably a good, what, third of a mile? The bathroom. as you're heading out towards the exit, with the dump station on the other side. And this is the Bonanza section. One of the 3 open loops right now, since we are here right around the beginning of December, so it's off season. A lot of things are closed, and then it's you know, RV parking in the trees. This section we're in, we're gonna go up to the other 2 sections later and show you those. This tree, these are the flowers, which apparently the bees love. Huh. All right. Okay, here we are at the end of Bonanza, the B section, and now we're gonna head up right along there and go over to the pool complex, the upper pool and recreation complex. So here we go. Here's the other dump station, should you need it. The rec room. Ooh, there's people in there playing pool. Would any of you mind being on a video? Any objections?
How much we could get paid?
You just gotta come find me after tomorrow and I'll pay you. Here we are at the recreation center, and it's open. They got pool tables, couches, places to hang out. So here is the upper pool complex, which is open. Entrance, outdoor shower area, sorry, and the restrooms and changing rooms. There's a hot tub. See people up here every day. Because, you know, Southern California, it's been about 70, 65, 70 past week. Pretty windy though. Hello, pretty good. Hello.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, how's it going?
Pretty good. What was it? 4 dryers and looked like 6 washers and 4 dryers. All right, so we just left the pool complex and the recreation laundry room, and now we're gonna go up to the upper part of the campground, which goes down this road across the Santa Clara River and then up the hill. Here we are at the mighty Santa Clara River. Yep, it's dry as a bone. Ground on the part we showed you earlier with the cabins, it continues up this little shallow canyon quite a ways and ends up there. There are a lot of great views of this sunset from this upper part and down in that canyon. All right, So about halfway down on the east side of the upper campground is another small loop down on this side, on the river side, quote unquote river. So the one really nice thing about this lower loop is you get the sunrise, and some of the sites back right up to the river, the dry riverbed. That can be your view. Partway across the Santa Clara River Bridge, and here's the view.